So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 10th mathematics Goa board paper. Given point O is the center of a circle, tangent px and py. You all can see the tangent px and py, right? Are drawn from external point P to the circle at point x and y respectively. You all have to prove that px is equal to py. Px is equal to py. You all have to prove it. Okay. So how you all are going to prove this now? You will have to write a proof without a reason. So basically, let us start. So take down the question, class 10th mathematics. Yeah, take down. So what is given over here? Point O is given. Is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Now we have two tangent, px and py. This px and py, they are the tangent, are drawn from an external point. External means outside point P. Okay, to the circle at point x and y respectively. At x and at y. You will have to prove that these two tangents are equal. Px is equal to py. Okay, you all have to write the proof with reasons. So yeah, first you all write down in triangle. First let us take triangle OXP. OXP and triangle OYP. OYP. These two triangle you all take down. OXP and OYP. Okay. Yeah. Now angle here at X and Y, it is 90 degree. Okay. So yeah. So angle O X, wait, here OX and OY are the radii of the same circle. Okay, so OX is equal to OY. Okay, what will be the reason? Radii of the same circle. Okay, next what we have is the second reason. What we have is angle OXP is equal to angle OYP, which is equal to 90 degree. So here it will be radius is perpendicular. You can write down the full form. Okay, perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Okay, next what we have is the third one. OP is equal to OP, that is the common side. Okay, you all can see this OP is equal to OP, both triangle it is having, right? That is the common side. Therefore I can say the fourth one, I can say triangle OXP is congruent to triangle OYP by hypotenuse rule. RHS rule means right angle hypotenuse side, it is congruence. So RHS rule. RHS congruence rule also I can write down. So we were supposed to prove that Px is equal to Py, right? Px is equal to Py. So we can directly write down Px is equal to Py because corresponding part of congruent triangle CPCT. So with the help of the CPCT we have proved it, right? Okay. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this one, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends and classmates, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Okay. taken from class 10th mathematics. So from Goa board paper it was. So yeah. The question is an arc of a circle of radius 14 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degree. At the center, you'll have to find the area of the minor sector and the length of the major arc of the circle. Pi value is given 22 upon 7. So the first thing what you are supposed to do is take down the question. Okay. So class 10th mathematics, take down the question. An arc of a circle of radius 14 centimeters. So radius is given as 14 centimeter. Subtends an angle of 60 degree. At the center, find the area of the minor sector and the length of the major arc of the circle. You'll have to take pi value to be 22 upon 7. So the first thing what we are going to do is we are finding the whatever is given, write down that. So what is given over here is radius is given, that is 14 centimeter is your radius. What about the angle? Your angle theta is given as 60 degree right here. And what else is given? Pi value is also given to take 22 upon 7. So area of, what will be the area of minor segment? Minor sector it is, minor sector. So area is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. So it will be theta is 60 right, upon 360 multiplied by pi value they told us to take 22 upon 7 right. So 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius is what? 14. So 14 multiplied by 14 we have to do right. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 0 0 will get cancelled, 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, then 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, then anything else is getting cancelled. So we are left with 1 upon 3 multiplied by 22 multiplied by, nothing is left right. So what we have is, yeah, 114 is remaining. So nothing is getting cancelled. So you'll have to multiply all this, you will get yeah. So multiply the numerator, you will get 308 upon 3. If you divide it, you will get approximately 102.67 centimeter square you will get. Then you will have to find the length of major arc. How to find out the length of major arc now? Reflex angle you need. Reflex angle. How you are going to do? 360 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 300 degree. So now you all have to find a length. Okay, we need length right. So length is equal to, it will be 300 upon 360. So 0 0 will get cancelled. Okay, what was the formula? Multiplied by reflex angle upon 360 multiplied by, it was 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 right, multiplied by 14. So pi and radius. Now what we are going to do? Yeah, 3 6 6 are 36, 6 5s are 30, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, anything else is getting cancelled over here. okay, is equal to 5 multiplied by, here I have cancelled the denominators, so yeah, what is left? 22 multiplied by 14, wait, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, right? So here you would have got directly 44 you would have written, but it's okay, upon 3. So multiply this, you will get 220 upon 3, okay, which is approximately what you will get over here is 73.33 centimeter. You'll have to divide and see, okay. If you all don't know the division, I can divide and show you all in the comment section. You all have to only tell me. So in the question we were supposed to find the length of the major arc, okay. So they had told us to find the minor sector, okay, find the minor sector and the length of the major. So area of minor sector we found out, and length of major arc also we have found out, okay. So we have to apply the formula and then solve it, okay. So I hope you all know how to apply the formula and all, and about the formula length of arc, I hope you all know this, okay. If you all have any doubts or any question related to any problem where you were not able to solve, you all can let me know. I will, in the best possible way, I'll try to help you all out, okay. Thanks for watching. And if you all have not subscribed my channel, subscribe and keep and press the bell icon for more updates, because you will get a notification on that. You all can even give me a hype button, okay. Question, class 10th mathematics, okay, some application of trigonometric chapter. Take down the question. An electric pole AB is 10-meter high. A steel wire tied to the top of the pole A is stretched and tied to a point C on the ground as shown in the figure. If the wire makes an angle of 45 degree with the ground, then find the length of the steel wire. For that you will have to take root 2 value to be 1.414, okay. Here this is 10 meter, which is your pole, and here it is 45 degree over this side, okay. So let us solve this. Yeah, so take down the question first, okay. An electric pole AB is 10 centimeters. So this is the pole, electric pole, which is 10 centimeter high. A steel wire tied to the top. So this is the steel wire tied at the top of a pole is stretched and tied to the point C on the ground. Okay, then you'll have to find the length of the steel wire. Now here, this is given. What they told us to find out is, yeah, so write down. So it will be, they told us to find, AB is given, AC you all have to find out. AC means the length of the wire. So this is what you all have to find out, okay. So here it will be sine of 45 degree. Opposite side is AB. AB upon BC it will be, right? No, AC it will be, hypotenuse. Okay, so what is sine of 45 degree? So in the trigonometric table you all have to see what is sine of 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 you are getting. So write down 1 upon root 2 is equal to AB is 10. AC you all have to find out, right? So what you will do is cross multiply. AC is equal to 10 root 2 you will get. Root 2 value is also given 1.414 and all. So AC is equal to 10 root 2. Okay. Wait, we are root 2 means we have to multiply it with this 1.414, okay. So multiply this, what you will get, 10 multiplied by 1, 4, 1 4 upon 1 2 3. 1 2 3. I will cancel the 0 0. So what I will get is 14.14. 1 2. So 1 2, yeah. 14.14 will be my answer. 14.14 meter. And you all can write down, therefore the length of the steel wire, therefore the length of the steel wire is 14.14 meter. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. And if you all have not subscribed my channel, please do like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If any doubts, queries, comment below. If you have any doubts on this, you all can comment below. Okay, if you like my videos, give me a hype. Okay, so share it with your classmates, friends, so it will be help for them also. Okay, a glass object is a cubicle in shape. So you can see a glass object is in a cubicle shape. From the one face of the cube, it is hemisphere. So this part is hemisphere, is scoped out. If the diameter of the hemisphere and the length of each side of the cube is equal to 42 centimeter, then you will have to find the remaining volume of the glass object. Okay, so take pi value to be 22 upon 7. So this is 42. Okay, so let us write down. Okay, so copy the question now. Copy the diagram from the paper only itself, which I have given you now. So side of the cube is what? Side of cube will be A is equal to 42 centimeter, right? What about the diameter? Diameter D is equal to 42 centimeter. Radius is half of diameter. Means 42 upon 2, if you all do, you will get 21 centimeter. Okay, so pi value they told us to take 22 upon 7. Now we have to calculate the volume of the cube. Okay, now how to calculate the volume of the cube? So first write down volume of cube. Volume of cube will be equal to A cube, which is equal to 42 multiplied by 42 multiplied by 42. You all do. Here you will get 74,088 centimeter cube. Okay, next you will have to calculate the volume of the hemisphere. See, there is a cube and there is a hemisphere over here. Okay, so we have to calculate the volume of the hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere will be equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so what I'll have to do over here is write down 2 upon 3 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 21 multiplied by radius is 21. No, 3 times you'll have to multiply. 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 3 ones are. Okay, then you'll have to multiply the numerator. So if you multiply the numerator, what you all are going to get? So 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21 you all did, right? So here 44 multiplied by, here you will get 44 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21, you will get 441. And you will have to multiply this, you will get 19404 centimeter cube. Now you will have to find the remaining volume. So how to find the remaining volume? Volume of cube minus volume of hemisphere you'll have to do. So volume of cube, what you all got? Volume of cube over here, 74,088 minus volume of hemisphere, what you got over here is, now you'll have to subtract this. You will get 54,684. Okay, centimeter cube you will get. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below. A solid wooden toy is cylindrical in shape, is surmounted by a right circular cone. The diameter of both the cylinder and the cone is equal. The radius of the base of the cone is 4 cm and its height is 6 cm. If the total height of the toy is 18 cm, then you'll have to find the total volume of the toy. Take pi value to be 22/7. So basically you all can see over here is a cylindrical shape, and this is the top part is the cone. Okay, the entire toy is 18 cm. Okay, the cylindrical, the height is 6 cm over here, you all can see, right? Base will be 4 cm and the height is 6 cm for the cone. Okay, so take down the question and keep. Okay, so I have already written the question. So yeah, what is given first? Radius is given, right? So radius is given, so write down the radius first. Radius of the cone. Radius of the cone and cylinder is equal to 4 cm. What about the height of the cone? Height of cone is given as h1, which is equal to 6 cm. Okay, and the total height of the toy, so the total height of the toy is given as 18 cm. Okay, so height of the cylinder is what? Height of the cylinder h2 is equal to total height. What I'll have to do? Total height minus h1. Height of the cone you'll have to subtract. Okay, the total is 18 and here height of the cone is 6. So 18 minus 6 you'll have to do. You will get 12 centimeter. Okay, now we have to calculate the volume of the cone. So how to calculate? So volume of the cone, V1, volume of cone. Let me write down volume of cone only. 1/3 pi r square h1. So 1/3 pi value they told us to take 22/7. Multiplied by the radius is both 4 centimeter for both, right? So 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by the height of the cone was 6 centimeter. See, 6 centimeter. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, Anything else is getting cancelled? No, right? So what you'll have to do over here? Yeah, so multiply. 4 4s are 16 you will get. So 4 4s are 16. 22 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 2 upon 7 is left. So multiply the numerator, you will get 704 upon 7, which is approximately 100.57 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the volume of the cone. You all got 100.57 centimeter cube. Now we have to calculate the volume of the cylinder now. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder V2 is equal to, let us not write this, formula is pi r square h2, right? So pi value is 22 upon 7, radius is 4 into 4, and height h2 was 12, right? Yeah. So anything is getting cancelled over here? No, nothing is getting cancelled. So what we need to do over here is, yeah, write down 22 upon 7 multiplied by 4 4s are 16 multiplied by 12. Multiply the numerator, you will get 4 2 2 4 upon 7, which is approximately 603.43 centimeter cube. Okay, now we need we need to find the total volume. So how to find the total volume? So we need to find the total volume. Okay. Now to find V1 plus V2. Okay. Volume of total volume means volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. What is volume of cone? 100.57 plus volume of cylinder is 603.43 upon here it will be, for both it is upon, wait, there is no upon, okay, sorry, 100.57 plus 603.43. So 100.57 603.43 you will get 6 10, so 0.40704, so 704 you will get centimeter cube. Okay, so therefore the total volume is what? Therefore the total volume is 704 centimeter cube. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching. If you'll have any doubts, queries, comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. So yeah.